What's up guys, I'm Nomadikh, and today I'm super excited to be announcing the MPC DRUMS drum kit is finally finished. Now this drum kit was about 6 years in the making. A long time ago when I was using the MPC1000 for all my beats, I spent tons of time layering and sampling every single kick, snare, and hi-hat from records, building them up in the MPC to be really fat, just spending an immense amount of time making these drums sound really great. And recently I went back to my MPC, I recorded all these drums into the computer. A lot of them sounded really good, and some of them I did a little bit of more processing with them so they'd sound really great. So this entire video is just dedicated to teaching you guys how you can use MPC drums in your productions. So I'm using a blank slate in Ableton Live. I have some of the sounds pulled up right here. So a bunch of these sounds are going to be divided into two folders, the clean folder and the dirty folder. The clean folder was the sound as it came purely out of the MPC with no effects on it, and the dirty was me going through the computer and kind of like manipulating the sound for it to become very warped and mangled and extremely heavy. So as you can hear, I'm just going to flip through the kick one-shot samples. The clean ones are pretty clean. They sound pretty good on their own, but the dirty ones are really heavy sounds, and you can listen to the snares too. So you have the clean 10 samples, and then you have the dirty snares, really heavy. These are honestly drums you could use forever. And then you get a bunch of hats too, and dirty hats. So those are the main drums. Now I want to show you exactly how you can use the drum loops. The drum loops are pretty cool. So really all you need to do is figure out exactly what kind of loop you want to use. So you can pick and you can choose. So like, let's say for instance, I want to have a full loop with kick, hi-hat, snare, and I want it to be, let's say clean. You could just go through. They're all organized by BPM, so you can pick whatever you want. They're all completely filled out. And you can just pick whichever one you want and just drag and drop it, like so. And if you're in Ableton Live or really any other DAW, you can just drag and drop it and it'll fit right into your project. If not, the BPM is labeled as well. So if you like the beat in the trailer, I actually used entirely the loops from this kit in order to make it, and I could show you exactly how I did it. So the sample for this one, Ferrante and Teicher, they're like some of my favorite samplers, or some of my favorite people to sample, my bad. And just to build this, I started with one of the kick loops. I used the Queen's Dirty 101 BPM loop, and I kind of just took some parts out so it would fit the sample a little bit better. I have the snare loop, the Hundreds Dirty one, 81. I have the hat loop, Action Clean, 87. And I use one of the cymbals from the pack, and that's really all I did. So if you like the sound of this beat, you can make it pretty quickly with the sounds in this kit. So in order to show you guys how easy it is to use this loop kit, I'm gonna actually just make a beat really quick so you can see. So I'm just gonna pull up my loop kit I'm working on right now. I'm not finished with it yet, but I'm gonna pull up a sound I like. I'm gonna use this one. Just slow it down. So I want to use that. So all I need to do is go into the MPC drums kit. I'm gonna start out with the hi-hat loop. So maybe start with the clean hat loop. Like that one. Go with the snare. I like the dirty snare loops. Change the speed. I use this one. I like that one better. I'm gonna use a dirty kick because those hit really hard. Sounds pretty good. I think it just needs a bass line. That beat's done. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you own the product, please do me a huge favor and just write a review on nomadikbeats.com. You could submit a photo or you could submit a video, and I'd love to see exactly how you're using the drums, what DAW you're using, what MPC you're using, whatever you want to submit. I'd be greatly appreciative of that. And again, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you later.